Beneath a towering gum tree, the Cowarr Weir begins its story, standing guard over the fish ladder and the mountain waters flowing past. This is a place where nature and engineering meet, where fish find their way upstream through the rushing current. The water is freezing cold, flowing straight out of the mountains, as it has since the dawn of time. Here at Cowarr Weir, the river crashes and swirls with unstoppable energy, a reminder of Australia's wild waterways. In slow motion, every droplet shines like silver, cascading over the wall and sculpting patterns as strong and sharp as steel. Beneath the surface, the turbulence is raw and restless, a hidden world of swirling force and power. The camera drifts underwater, capturing the wild shapes the river carves as it fights its way downstream. It is here that we see the true beauty of Cowarr Weir, a blend of chaos and order, strength and grace. And slowly the turbulence gives way to calm, the waters smoothing out as they travel beyond the weir. From rushing cascades to gentle flow, the river continues its timeless journey, a lifeline for fish, forest and all who visit.